If staying focused on one task is a challenge and the distractions often pull you away, reaching a great result in your work may feel out of reach. I've seen how a clear, simple approach can make all the difference, and this method has constantly proven powerful. So here's what to do. Whenever you write something, script, email, announcement, put it through a readability checker. Aim to simplify to a third-grade reading level. I personally use the Hemingway App. It's a free and instantly helps me to make message clearer and more impactful. Why a third-grade level? It doesn't mean you are making things too simple. It means you are making sure everyone can easily understand you. So using simpler words, shorter sentences, and direct language helps people feel instant connected to your message. When I started doing this, my emails and messages become much clearer, and I saw a noticeable improvement in engagement. For even better results, try writing them in Hemingway. You will get a real-time feedback helping you write with impact from the start. This approach transformed my communication style, making it more powerful and relatable. Now let's pull this into the context. Imagine you are a new Scrum Master trying to get buy-in from senior management. You've experienced Agile principles and the benefits of Scrum, but the message just doesn't seem to land. The leaders are busy, and maybe the language feels too complex or technical. They nod, but you can tell they are not fully convinced. So here is where simplifying your language can be a game changer. I remember working with a Scrum Master in this exact situation. They were using phrases like incremental development and empirical process control, which were accurate but too abstract for their audience. When they started framing Scrum's benefits in everyday terms like quick feedback, fewer project risks, and faster delivery of useful features, management finally got it. They saw Scrum not as a complex framework, but as a practical, results-driven approach. This clarity turned the conversation around. So instead of seeing Scrum as something new and different, senior management recognized it as a tool to improve delivery and responsiveness to change. Approval followed soon after, and the Scrum Master was able to implement Scrum practices more effectively. Simplifying your language doesn't mean dumbing down your message. It's about making your message accessible to everyone, regardless of their background. The result? Well, more people connect with what you're saying and more people take action on it. If you are ready to remove barriers holding you back from greater success, start mastering these skills today. Visit whatiscrum.org for our new course on messaging clarity that will help you reach more people and make a lasting impact. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.